Hello, and welcome to today's family program. This is Dr. Kitcher, and I'm very happy to be with you today. As you know, usually we are here to share ideas and to help you get the best out of life as you live in relationship with other people on this planet called Earth. Please, before you do anything, I would like you to invite a friend or two to join this program, and please like and share the channel. We are very, very happy to be here again with you. Upon a conversation that I was having over the week with someone, I realized the need to go back to something that I have spoken about, not on this program, but on another program many, many years ago. And I think it is very, very important we grasp this very important thing that will help us in our lives as we relate with others and also build stronger relationships. We are going to talk about what you need to do before you act. Before you act. Let me repeat that. Before you act. What do you need to do? First of all, we may be hearing all kinds of reports or news and information coming from different places. And sometimes because you have maybe trust in that source, you may take the information, begin to act on it, thinking it is true, only later to find out it is not true. Many relationships have been messed up with because of people not taking time to find out what is said or what happened before making a decision or taking sides. So you have to really get these things that we're going to talk about very much into you so that you'll be able to maintain and build, foster, and grow very good relationships. So first of all, before you act, think. Before you act on anything, think. Think about what you have heard. Give it some consideration. Do not be in a hurry to go tell it on the mountain. Don't be the first person to spread that news. Make sure you have found authenticity of that message or that information before you use. Before you confront anything, think, give it a thought. Take time and think about it. Ask yourself the question, is it going to be helpful? Is it going to be helpful? The next thing is, if you go say it, is that going to help anybody? What kind of profit or what kind of advantage would that bring or help somebody's life to be better? How is it going to help others? You must put all these things in perspective before you go and act on anything you hear, see, or do. You also have to ask yourself this question. Is it inspiring? Is it inspiring? Because whatever is not inspiring will not cause other people to be lifted up in their spirits. Sometimes we dampen the spirits of people down because of false information, because of false approach, based on just acting on what we see without thinking, without, looking for whether it's helpful. And we also don't look whether it is going to be inspiring. So we have talked about, first of all, think before you act. Before you act, find out if what you're going to act on is helpful. And the thing we talked about just now is it inspiring? Inspiring. What does not inspire can dampen the spirits of others. So please, remember, before you act, ask yourself that question. The next question you have to ask yourself, is it needful? Whatever you're going to say or do, or who you're going to talk with, is it needful? If that thing is needful, then, well, go ahead and do it. But if it is not, then don't waste your time and don't just create false alarms. Don't just put on lights where there is not supposed to be any light, where in actual fact, what you are bringing out there as information has no backing behind it. Please make sure whatever you act on is needful. And finally, ask yourself, is it something kind? Is it kind to do that? Is it kind to go that way? When you get the answers to these things, you will be building and maintaining very strong relationships. Please do not make decisions without first of all making sure you have the correct message. This is absolutely important. Many people just hear or see something and they go about just drumming it or broadcasting it. But make sure before you take action, you know the facts and you have it all worked out together. Do not be an instrument of spreading somebody else's falsehood. You know, most of the times, you are not the one who manufactured that information. Somebody calls you, says, oh, have you heard? This is what this person is doing, or this is what has happened. And you're like, oh my God, you know what? Then you call 10 people. You see, in today's world, people want to be the first to do something. Even you go sometimes on social media, you will be told, be the first to like this. And there is that tendency to say, I'm the first, I'm the only one, I got it earlier, I got it from more authentic source. I mean, it's not about, you know, those things. Life is about you making sure that you are doing what is right. So ask yourself what you are going to do. Have you given it a thought? Is it true? The information, is it true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it needful? And is it kind? For you to remember these things, I want you to make sure the next time before you act on anything in connection with anybody, please make sure it is true, that it is helpful, that it is inspiring, that it is needful, and that it's kind. Well, this is today's family program. And before I leave you today, I want to remind you that this program is built one on the other, and always we are adding on to. So please listen to the previous versions of these programs, and it will really be helpful to you. And also take time and share these links with your friends. And we look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a wonderful day. This is Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this is your favorite program, Today's Family. See you next week. Bye-bye.